In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a heart symbol in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're writing a heartfelt email to a loved one or simply want to add a touch of personality to your messages, this process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few minutes. Let's start by navigating to Microsoft Outlook. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the official Microsoft Outlook website. You can do this by typing the URL into your address bar or simply conducting a quick search for Microsoft Outlook. Once you're there, you'll notice a sign in option located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll need to sign in with your email and password. If you're using a personal device, you might want to check the Stay Signed In option so you won't have to log in every time. Just remember to be cautious if you're on a shared or public computer. It's best to uncheck that option for security reasons. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Outlook dashboard. From here, locate the button labeled New Mail, which is usually near the top left corner. Click on New Mail to start composing a new message. This will open up a blank email where you can input your recipient's email address, subject line, and of course the main body of your message. Now we're going to focus on how to insert that heart symbol. At the top of your new email window, look for an option that says Insert. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Emoji. Go ahead and click on Emoji to open up a variety of symbols and icons you can use in your email. To find the heart symbol, use the search function within the emoji panel. Simply click on the search bar and type in heart. In doing so, you'll filter out the other emojis, highlighting various heart symbols you can choose from. There are often different styles and colors of heart emojis available, so feel free to pick the one that best suits your message. When you've found the heart emoji you want to use, simply click on it. This action will insert the heart directly into your email where your cursor is placed. Afterward, you can continue crafting your email with the added touch of personality from your newly inserted heart symbol. And there you have it. You've now learned how to quickly and easily add a heart symbol into your emails using Microsoft Outlook. This small but meaningful addition can really help personalize your messages. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy emailing,